Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Get Wicked 4x4. Gonna explain to you how to replace a rear axle seal and a wheel bearing on a 91 Hilux. But first we need to get this shaft pressed out of here. You can use a sledgehammer all you like, but it might not work. So yeah, the only way to get it apart is pretty much with a press. So we'll do that and we'll get back to you. Got the axle pressed out from here now, and we'll go ahead and remove this seal and we will pop this bearing out. There we go, that's the seal out. Now we just got to press this bearing out. Cracked it. There we have it, bearing out. Alright guys, we've got the old bearing out. It took a bit of pressure to actually crack it out. So just give us a bit of a clean up and then we'll put the new bearing back in. Alright, we got the studs pushed back through. We've got the new seal on here. Just make sure it's pushed right the way down. You'll see around there. And then we'll just slide this over the shaft. And then we'll use the press and press the new bearing on. Okay guys, that's the new bearing pushed in. this old seal out. Just like that. Get a seal around the outside here as well. Get out. And we'll just give that a quick clean up, and we'll go and put the new seal in the big O-ring back on. Use some fine grit sandpaper and go around here, gets it off pretty well. Should have a little bit of diff oil just sitting there. Just whack it around there where the new seal's going to go, help it go in a bit easier. Alright, we've got the new seal in there and the one around the outside. Now we just put the shaft in. When you're putting the axle shaft in, you just got to make sure you don't damage the new seal. Put in. Got to find the cog inside the axle there and pop it in. And there we go. We've got 4 bolts at the back here that we need to do up. That's a 14mm, and we use a 10mm for the brake line. With this brake line you will have to bleed it, and this one at the top, that's your bleed valve, and that'll let the air out. Alright, now we just need to hook up the handbrake cable. And don't forget to put the pin in. There you go. guys, there we go, all done. Just got to put your wheel on and you're ready to race. After completing this job, you always need to bleed your brakes to let out the air, so we'll go ahead and do that. When you're bleeding the brakes, you always need to keep an eye on this to make sure you don't drain the brake fluid out, otherwise you'll suck air into the brake line. Alright, pump, hold, pump, hold, pump, hold, pump, hold. Alright, we'll try that. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to hit the like button down here, subscribe button up here, and we'll catch you next time on Get Wicked 4x4 Adventures.